Unlocking formal communication. Please find enclosed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to make your learning journey both fun and informative. Today, we're unraveling a phrase that often pops up in formal communications. Please find enclosed. This phrase might sound a bit formal or outdated, but it's still in use today, especially in letters and emails. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some modern alternatives to ensure you can communicate effectively in any professional setting. Please find enclosed is a formal way of indicating that you have included additional documents or items with your letter or email. It's like telling the recipient to look inside the envelope or email attachment section because you've added something extra for them. This phrase prepares the recipient for the enclosed items and ensures they do not overlook them. Typically, please find enclosed is used in formal or business communications. Here are some scenarios where you might use it. When sending a physical letter with additional documents, such as reports, brochures, or contracts. In emails, when attaching files like your resume, cover letter, or any supporting documents. Here's how you can structure a sentence with this phrase. Please find enclosed the annual report for 2023. Please find enclosed my resume and cover letter for the position of marketing manager. It's a courteous way to ensure the recipient is aware of these additional documents and checks them. While please find enclosed is perfectly acceptable, some might find it too formal or outdated. Here are some modern alternatives that convey the same message but in a more contemporary way. I have attached, simple and straightforward. This phrase gets straight to the point. Please see the attached, a polite way to direct attention to the attachments. Enclosed, please find, a slight variation that still maintains formality but switches the order of words for emphasis. Attached is, or, enclosed is. These are direct and efficient ways to mention enclosed documents. Please find enclosed is a classic phrase in formal communication, signaling that you have included additional documents or items with your message. Understanding when and how to use it, along with its modern alternatives, can enhance your ability to communicate effectively in professional settings. We hope this video sheds light on this phrase and helps you in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to practice using these phrases in your own communications to get comfortable with them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.